Greetings auto enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a look at the Kia Stinger electric successor, which is reportedly codenamed GT1 and might feature a 113.2 kWh battery. The Stinger is a sporty and luxurious sedan that offers performance and style, and will be replaced by an electric model that will offer more power, more range, and more features. The Stinger electric successor will be based on the E-GMP platform, which is a dedicated electric vehicle platform that also underpins the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and the Kia EV6. The car will have a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a low-slung roofline, a large grille, and LED lights. The car will also have a spacious and futuristic interior, with leather seats, a digital dashboard, and a large touchscreen infotainment system. The car will also have safety and convenience features, such as blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control, and wireless charging. The Stinger electric successor will be powered by two electric motors, one on each axle, that will produce a combined output of around 600 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. The car will be able to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 4 seconds, and reach a top speed of over 250 km per hour. The car will also have a 113.2 kWh battery pack that will provide a range of over 500 km on a single charge. The car will also support fast charging, and will be able to recharge up to 80% in less than 20 minutes. The Stinger electric successor will be a stunning and powerful car that will appeal to drivers who want a sporty and luxurious vehicle. The car will compete with other electric sedans in the market, such as the Tesla Model S, the Lucid Air, and the Porsche Taycan. The car is expected to be unveiled in 2023, and will be available in different trim levels and colors. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more auto news and reviews. See you next time.